This is how to successfully export separate audio tracks in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Drop a like if this helps, let's go. Learn passive income concepts, click the link down below. Simply put, on the timeline, let's say you have an audio track here and right here.
Big Mac. Big Mac.
And let's say you want to successfully separate or to export separate audio tracks. Make sure you have an in point and an out point. And simply put, if you want to export this audio track, click and hold your second and then move it to the right. See how it's on the right of the timeline. And then go to this audio track, create an out point, Ctrl+O, and then Ctrl+M on the keyboard. And now make sure that export video is unchecked. So we're only successfully going to be exporting the audio track or the separate audio. Underneath format and preset, you can change this to whatever you would like, and then click on queue or export. Again, you can do the same thing with this audio track or the separate audio track, removing our original to the right and removing this back on the video timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro, and then Ctrl+M. If you don't want the video, just uncheck this and make sure audio is selected to successfully export.